everyone and welcome back, or if you're new here then hi and namaste. I'm Shreya and this video is going to be a Myntra haul. So I am going on a vacation where वो तो मैं अभी नहीं बता सकती, but I will be posting it on my YouTube short. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe right now. Now since we are going on this trip, I shopped a little and all these things are from Myntra. This is going to be a mix of everything. कुछ कपड़े होंगे, then shoes, bag and let's see. So I don't want to waste any more time and I think let's just begin. Okay, so let's start with the first thing that I got and it is this cord set. I'm very sad to say but right now it is unavailable on Myntra. And I think it was a steal deal because when I got it तब भी लिखा हुआ आ रहा था कि बहुत ही कम pieces बचे हुए हैं, 1 or 2 left. So I got it for 999 rupees, but the MRP for it is rupees 3999. So I think I got a good deal, you know. I thought it will look nice. मैं दोनों को अलग अलग पहन सकती हूँ. This is what the top looks like. It's kind of giving a denim का look and नीचे के जो pants हैं वो plain है. So I thought this would be really nice. मैं साथ में तो पहन ही सकती हूँ and other than that दोनों pieces individually भी काफ़ी use हो जाएंगी. So I think this was a great purchase and especially the price that I can see now and how much I paid for it. I mean, I'm really happy about it. Next up is a very cute piece of necklace that I got and this is what the box looks like. It's from this brand called Minuti. I'm really sorry, मुझे नहीं पता इसका pronunciation कैसे होगा, but I got it in this cute little box packaging और उसके अंदर भी इसको अगर हम ऐसे open करेंगे, I get the necklace here. So necklace ऐसे packet में आया है. There is a cute little note. This says thanks और पीछे इसमें jewelry care के tips लिखे हुए हैं, which I think is pretty cute because ये सारी चीज़ें need होती हैं. We should know how to take care of these pieces वरना इसका color fade हो जाता है and then people just start complaining that this is shitty. At least the brand is taking an initiative which I think is good. So the prices for everything will be mentioned in the screenshots because I clearly don't remember the prices. You can see how beautiful this looks. It's so gorgeous. Wait, I'll just show you. I think this will look very cute. I can also layer it with a long necklace, something जैसे मैंने अभी ये पहना हुआ है, इसके ऊपर मैं ये पहन के और ये साथ में दोनों पहन सकती हूँ. And oh my god, I think I can actually wear these two together like this. Like really, this is the combination. It will be a little dressy but I'm okay with it. So this is what it looks like सामने से. You can see, so there are 3 these embellishments, एक ये और ये. Yeah, I'm super happy with this. I do have a few necklaces from this brand. अभी तक उसका color fade नहीं हुआ है. So I have high hopes from this as well. Okay, so let's talk about the next product that I have. So I wanted to get like some skirts, but मुझे कोई skirt ऐसा मिला नहीं. I actually bought one skirt, but उसका size नहीं आया. We'll talk about that soon. But for now, let's talk about this skirt that I got. You can so I got this. You will get to see exactly how it looks here. Okay, इसका price है 1599, but obviously I did not pay 1599 for this one. I think this will look super cute if I pair it with a nice white top because नीचे already काफ़ी print चल रहा है. So ऊपर I don't want to put a lot of colors, so we have to balance it out with a neutral top and it will look super cool. मतलब already मैंने outfits अपने दिमाग में ऐसे सोचे हुए हैं, so you will get to see everything on my shorts, so subscribe right now. पहले इसको ऐसे पैंट की तरह पहनना है and then there is a tie up thingy, so ये हम ऐसे wrap around करके साइड में ऐसे bow करके बांध सकते हैं and then that is how you are supposed to wear it. Moving on to the next purchase, it's a pair of shoes. So I got shoes. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा complicate नहीं करना था. I don't wear like sports shoes, sneakers. I don't wear them a lot and I know a lot of people can't relate with me at this moment, but it is what it is. Fine. मतलब as of now I am not the biggest fan of sneakers. तो मेरे को बस ऐसे जुगाड़ू स्नीकर्स चाहिए थे बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव एनी ऑफ इट एंड आई फाउंड दीज ऑन मिंत्रा. दीज आर लाइक प्रॉपर वाइट स्नीकर्स. यहाँ पे ऐसे थोड़ा मेटालिक सा भी वो है, लाइक यू कैन सी, you know, it's shining a little. And I thought it will look nice with jeans, as just in general if you're like going on trips you have to walk a lot, so I thought I should just carry one. So this was somewhere around 6 to 700, yeah, 700 750. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I think it's nice. कभी कभी जब मेरा मन करेगा थोड़ा स्नीकर्स या ऐसा कुछ पहनने का, so I think I can go for it. This is in the size 6 because that's my size, duh. So yeah, let's move on. So the next thing that I have is my absolute favorite, और ये मैंने लिया तो था ट्रिप के लिए, but अभी तक till today I have used it like 4 to 5 times. मतलब जब जब मैं बाहर गई हूँ मैं लेके गई हूँ because I am in love. And this is the bag. Oh my god, उल्टा ही है. Yeah, better. So this is the bag that I'm talking about. It's a shoulder bag and it's so freaking pretty. Just look at it. मतलब मेरे पास एक बैग था ऐसा सेम तो नहीं कह सकते. It was in like maroonish, like reddish color, and I just love that bag. But suddenly that bag has disappeared. तो मैं उस बैग के गम में थी बहुत टाइम से, ठीक है. और मुझे था कि यार वो कहाँ गया. लाइक आई लिटरली ट्राई टू सर्च फॉर दैट बैग सो मच, बट वो मेरे को मिल ही नहीं रहा. तो मैं परेशान होके मैंने ये बैग लिया है. इट्स लिटरली द सेम स्ट्रक्चर, द कलर इज़ डिफरेंट एंड दिस इज़ एन एडिशन. ये नहीं था पहले वाले में. आई रियली लव दिस बैग. आई थिंक ब्राउन इज़ अ कलर जो हर आउटफिट के साथ जाता है, किसी भी आउटफिट के साथ जाता है. लाइक इफ़ यू आर वेयरिंग समथिंग कलरफुल, ब्राउन उसके साथ भी जाएगा, और अगर न्यूट्रल कलर्स है तो ऑब्वियसली उसके साथ भी जाएगा. लुक एट दिस ब्यूटी. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम द ब्रांड बेरी लश. आई थिंक इट इज़ अवेलेबल ऑन मिंत्रा, या ये मिंत्रा का ही ब्रांड है, आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर. तो इसको हम ऐसे ओपन करेंगे एंड देन फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन, लाइक यू नो, देयर इज़ अ जिप, and once you open it you can keep like all of your stuff here. There is no compartment or anything, but I also feel कि compartment की कोई need नहीं है because the space is already limited, so compartment से और limit हो जाएगा. So I'm really very happy with this purchase. The next thing that I have is a dress. This is the dress. I'm pretty sure इसमें तो कुछ ऐसे समझ नहीं आ रहा होगा, but this is what it looks like, and also you will see the try on bit. So I really liked it. Also this was very inexpensive. I got it for like 350. You can see there is a little cutout detailing in between. जो top and bottom का part है वो थोड़ा सा separate हो रहा है with this cutout detailing, which looks really cool I think. And I tried it and oh my god, it is so comfortable to wear. Like it is perfect if I can, you know, wear this and I can wear those white sneakers, और मैं पूरे दिन आराम से घूम सकती हूँ because it is so comfortable to wear and I can just roam around. I don't mind doing that. I also love the print. I mean, just look how beautiful, how colorful it is. So yeah, this is definitely, you know, really good, and it gets a thumbs up from my side. So the next thing is the top that I'm wearing, and look how pretty it is. I think ये मेरे को सबसे पहले mention करना चाहिए था, but मेरा दिमाग बंद हो गया था. But कोई बात नहीं, देर आए दुरुस्त आए. This is the top that I'm wearing and it's really cute. You can see it's a full sleeves top and I just love it. Look at the sleeves, it's so cute. Anyways, so this is what it looks like and I thought it will just be a cute addition. I did not really plan on getting this one, but मेरे को बहुत cute सा लगा. और ऐसे फुल स्लीव टॉप मेरे पास है नहीं. लाइक आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ट्यूब टॉप्स एंड यू नो ऑल दोज स्ट्रैपलेस थिंगीज, बट जस्ट अबाउट द स्लीव्स, look at this, how gorgeous it looks. By the way, everything that I'm mentioning in this video will of course be in the description box, so you can go and check it out for yourself. And yeah, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay, let's talk about the next product that I have, and it is the last product in this video. By the way, a little story time is something that I'm very impressed with. So I ordered a skirt. So I ordered that skirt and I wore it, and it was just somehow not, you know, looking very good, looking very flattering on my body type. तो मैंने सोचा वापस कर देती हूँ. Now normally there is return or replace policy, but I think Myntra has come up with this new exchange function where you can just return the product and get something else, like something totally different. And मेरे को कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था, so I ended up getting a kurta. Yeah, so I have joined dance classes and I have this newfound love for kurtas, and मेरे को बड़ा अच्छा लगता है अब. So I bought this very cute, and also I love the color, this kurta. And I generally don't go for light colors, but मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा, तो मैंने सोचा यार I think it will be cute. Just look at this, ये जो चमकीला चमकीला सा काम है is so cute. And also I love the sleeves. ये थोड़े थोड़े flowy से sleeves हैं इसके. You can see, as I said earlier, I have a thing for dramatic sleeves. So yeah, so the sleeves were a selling point for me. So I'm not taking this on my trip, but this is definitely a part of the haul because I bought it साथ में. Also about the exchange thingy, so the skirt that I bought, uska, wow. So skirt का price was somewhere around 600 और इसका price था somewhere around 700. तो जो difference amount था, I had to pay that amount later on. And I think that is a super cool feature. I mean, like, you can just return and you can get anything in exchange. So I think that is really nice of Myntra. So this was it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this one. If you liked this video, don't forget to actually like it. And a lot more content is coming, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then,